How to use ChatGPT as an English Oxford level teacher. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can use ChatGPT as an Oxford level English teacher. So for that we will simply go to notes. So I will simply go to notes. Here I saved that prompt, so you guys will simply copy that prompt. So I will copy it. Now I will go to ChatGPT. So I will simply open new chat. So it was new chat, so I will paste the prompt that I copied. Now I will click on go. Once I click on it, it will become Oxford level English teacher. So what I ask, it will give me straightforward answer as Oxford level English teacher. You guys can use it and share your experience in comment section. Thanks for watching.